Hello all. In this session, we are going to determine the number of characters which are repeatedly occurring in a string. So, in a string, we'll be having multiple characters, and if the character is repeated again and again, we are going to count how many number of times the character is repeated. So, we can also say that the frequency of occurrence of the characters. So here, so this is the class which I have initiated here as a frequency, and the input object is set to be data, and I'm giving an input here as learning gives knowledge. And the technique which we are applying here is, first we are finding the length of the given string. Whatever the string is given or the input is given, we are finding the length of that is the total length of the string, and then the respective character which we need to find. If, for example, here I have taken, so here I have taken as L. So how many times the occurrence of L is present here in the sequence? So I think it is 1 and then 2. So 2 times it is occurring. So now what I'm doing is I'm just replacing it with some empty space. It is not even a space. I'm just replacing it. I'm just removing it. I'm removing the particular character which I want to find how many times it is occurring. And then I'm finding the total length of the given string without that particular character. So here, without this particular character, I have been without particular character. And this is the total length of the sequence. So here, now I'm finding the difference between these two, the total length and without that particular length, without that particular character. That is, for example, without L, it will be counting. For example, if it is 5 and if it is occurring 2 times, then the remaining will be 3. So here it occurs 3 times. Now what I will be doing is, now this remaining characters is said to be, that is how many times this occurrence is done. So here it will be in default. That difference is said to be the number of occurrence of that particular character. So those many times it has occurred. So that is how we can find easily about how many times the occurrence of character is present. So here I have taken for example as L. So here 1 and 2 times it is present. So when I execute that, I'm getting as L. So already I think I have executed. So the frequency of the character is 2. So I can give some other characters, like even the E is present. Yeah, E is present 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So let us check for E. So here I'm changing the E for empty places. So now the E will be removed in the given sequence and it will be counting the length. Again here the total length minus the sequence without the character E. So that will be taken into account for printing. So let us see that is how much times it is given. Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 times E is occurring. So this is how we find the frequency of occurrence of a character. Thank you.